Hello students, welcome to Punjabi class. In our previous classes we have done Uda till Haha, that means Uda, Ada, Edi, Sassa, Haha. So that means we have completed first line of Panti. So today we will do exercises, and in this class I will complete these exercises. First one is complete the line. What comes after? Hindi sounds, alphabetical order, and identify the picture. Now first exercise is complete the line. In this exercise we have to complete the line. We have read Uda, Eda, Edi, Sassa and Haha in our previous classes. Now we have to find which letter is missing and we have to fill it in these blanks. First one is Uda, then second letter is missing, that means there is blank here, so we have to fill the second letter. What comes after Uda? Eda. So we will write here Eda. Like this. Then Edi is given. After that, Sassa. What comes after Edi? Sassa. So write here Sassa. Then Haha is already written. So I have completed the line. Uda, Eda, Edi, Sassa and Haha. Now come to the second exercise. What comes after? That means what comes after Edi? What comes after Edi? For that you can read the line in your mind. Uda, Eda, Edi, Sassa, Haha. So what comes after Edi? Sassa. Write down Sassa here. Now next is Sassa. So what comes after Sassa? Haha. Write down Haha here. So what comes after Eda? Edi. I will write Edi here. So that means what comes after. Next exercise is matching. Here we have to match Punjabi letters with the Hindi sounds. Now on the one hand there are Punjabi letters. I will read these letters. Uda, Edi, Sassa. And on the other side E, S, U. Now, the first one is Uda. What's the Hindi sound of Uda? E, S or U? U. So, first is Uda. One is written over there. So, I will write one in front of U. So, that means Uda, U. Now, the second one is Edi. What's the Hindi sound of Edi? E. E is there? Yes. So, I will write 2 with E. Now the third one is Sassa. Only one is left at the other hand, but we will confirm that the one which is left is correct only. For that you have to tell what's the Hindi sound of Sassa? Sa. Then match it. Sa is there? Yes. Now you can write 3 here. Now here exercise 4 is given. In this exercise we have to write in alphabetical order. You can see some Punjabi letters are given and we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. So for that let us revise the line we have done. Uda, Eda, Edi, Sassa and Haha. So for that we have to find the first letter Uda. So find where is Uda? Here. So just put cross over there and write down Uda here. Now what comes after Uda? Eda. So find where is Eda? It's here. So put cross over there and write down Eda here. Now what comes after Eda? Edi. So find where is Edi? Here. Put cross there and write down Edi here. Now what comes after Edi? Sassa. Here Sassa is there. So put cross and write down Sassa here. And what comes after Sassa? Haha. Only one is left. You can write it down here. Now check it. Uda, Eda, Edi, Sassa and Haha. Similarly, I will do the next one. For that, our first step is to revise Uda till haha. Uda, Ada, Edi, Sassa, haha. Because we have completed only first line, and that's why I am asking you to revise first line. So now Uda. First letter is Uda, so find where is Uda? Here. Put cross there and write down Uda here. Then second letter is Ada. So where is Ada? Here. Put cross there and write down Ada. And the third one is Ed. Put cross there and write down Ed here. And the next one is Sassa. Where is Sassa? Here. Put cross here and write down Sassa. Now the next one is haha. Only one is left, that is haha. So you can write haha here. Now the next exercise, exercise number 5 is identify the picture and write the first letter of. Now there are some pictures given. Look at the first picture. What's this? Anak. Ada, anak. So here we will write only the first letter of the word. That means first letter of anak. And the first letter of anak is Ada. So write down Ada here. Now look at the second picture. What's there? An apple. And what do we call an apple in Punjabi? Seb. Sassa, seb. So I will write Sassa here. Now look at the next picture. What's this? Haha, hat. So I will write haha here. And what's there in the last picture? There is Imli. Ed, Imli. So I will write Ed here. So your today's work is to practice these exercises on copy, and
thanks for watching the video.